Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi stay inside studio and we dey discuss Naija one as he be saying at the statement when we say former president Foodluck Jonathan in drop. We come dey ask question how we take fit achieve am, how we take fit reach that level. We go talk say indeed Naija one. And Madam Dora all the way from Jos, Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam, and Oga Pat all the way from Germany. Don't call in, they don't contribute. And if you check everything when everybody they talk say. Make Naija not just be one for those who be say they up for government. Yes. Make Naija be one for everybody. Yeah. Oga Bobby raised one important point. If we talk about say, for example, we get people when they collect 18,000 or plenty people when they collect 18,000. He talk about say first, make we first separate religion. Religion a problem. If he talk this one with confidence, say he get some states for this Nigeria today. If the governor now maybe Catholic, if the governor are Catholic when be Christian, the deputy must be not be say. Must be Anglican. Because they go look and say,
and then dominate.
Now we plenty pass, you understand?
And for that reason.
And people go to feel say, okay, if we don't join these two together, we go win election. Religion is something Nigeria won't declare. People they talk and say, if the president are Muslim, the vice make it be. Former president Goodluck, former president Obasanjo write letter, one APC say, make we not begin the fear. And the reason why we don't reach this level now say, we not even feel trust our leaders them again. So we dey feel okay, oh, at least even if na Bible this man they look, he dey respect. If you don't even respect anything, you respect the Holy Quran or you respect the Holy Bible, at least that one go even stiffy hold you because some people when they chop money, you get the money when they will chop it, they will look say, oh no, God will not be happy with this money. Because now the truth, some people go chop money each one level, they look say, make I for the sake of God, let me not
bring out small.
Let me keep small. At least if now even that one still they hold them. But it go good make they look people first and judge them by the content of their character. Not be say, hey, why this man do this thing? I think saying be Christian. I think saying be Muslim. It's supposed to be this man and woman being and he care for us inside of Nigeria. Oga Sam, they call us all the way from Ikotun. Oga Sam, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oga Sam, good morning.
Good morning, my brother Ezugwu Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
Good morning, my brother Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
God bless both of you.
Thank you very much, and you too.
You are doing great job.
Thank you, sir.
The wisdom that propels two of you will be likened to that of Solomon. Because you have opened the eyes and the minds of Nigeria to understand that the grassroots problem that they uproot every day for us. See, leadership is gift. That is why you see people like the likes of GEJ. They are real gems. When God gives you something, that thing remains in you. GEJ is a gift of leadership to this country. But we don't know it. It's like people like late Muslim Muhammad. There are special gifts this country has, which we don't tap. It's appearing to Aslock yesterday. If the old man will put his pride down religiously and other things, the country will move forward very soon. It's like the economic team they have over the years. They just meet on quarterly basis or whatever that go. The economic team that we need in this country will be think tank group that will remain with the president who will think for him every day. That this is what we are, and if we move next step, we'll get out of this mess we are into. Not inviting economic experts who are thinking of their own interests. And I put it to you that the ordinary Nigeria in this country does not believe in religion. They believe in oneness. Our division is telling our leaders otherwise. In the past, the likes of Sana Sokoto, they are true patriots. The like of Zika Wonowo, they are true patriots. Not even about tribalism. But the present comes of leadership, they have found religious problem that is making people fight as if it is do or die. No. The nation will move forward. Yes. If Buhari will listen to the wise saying, people like GEJ will talk to him. People like Gon will talk to him. If he tap from their resources, the country will move forward. I beg him, let him dust the constitutional conference, which was held at the eve of the departure of GEJ. If you use that wisdom from that place, in the next 24 months, the country will be better off for it.
Oga Sam, thank you very, very much for that, at least for that information and for this contribution where you don't also drop down. You said one very important thing, and if we also look in between, you go say yes. And the same way Oga Pat, the same way Oga Bobby, the same way Madam Dora don't talk. Now the same way you don't also sink them into us. One important way you talk to me say, if we want to truly look the unity of this country, you go need to come from our leaders, because Nigerians among themselves get that unity. But because of what they play out, what they affect Nigeria, that's why they get they get this unity. We get Madam Queen. Madam Queen, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Madam Queen.
Good morning, my brothers from another mother, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Good morning. We did
fine, Madam Queen.
Okay, a long time no see.
Long time.
As we take concern the visit for where GEJ take visit our president Muhammadu Buhari, me I don't expect anything less from Jonathan, because now very humble person, and I know say if Buhari really wants in help, he go ask for him, and Jonathan no go say no, because Jonathan like anything where go make our Nigeria move forward, because now waiting all of us want to be that. As we take concern, say people they steal money and all that. We said, see, say budget where they pass. It take them 1 year, they finally pass, and now the budget still get problem. So what the person go do? The corruption don't already enter the system too much. But whether we like it or not, we go work on them. We go make sure say we pursue corruption come up for this country. As it take concern, say whether Nigeria now one. I believe say if we begin respect each other religion, like Bobby from Germany say, I be Germany or Holland say. I think say that one go a long way, because number one, if I be Muslim, you be Christian. I respect you, say, now waiting you want do, now you they do. As you feel, say, you go take understand your God, now you they do. I believe say you no go want insult my religion, we go make us quarrel.
Yes.
If you believe say you want be pagan or you want be babalawo, now your problem is that. As you just want to serve your God, now you know that one. It's in your pocket. That's number one. If we still begin to differentiate, say, we must respect everybody religion. All these bad things where you they see no go happen. As it takes concern, say whether person did this politics or person did this party, if we begin to respect each other party too, all these things no go happen. Look, America now, they prepare for election. You never hear say anybody don't die. But they different party, and everything they go smoothly. Why our own go different? Why it go be say if I be this party, that party go fight, follow me fight? It's not supposed to be like that now. There must be an election for somebody to come up. Whether they re-go, they no re-go. Person don't come up, person don't come up. Make we move forward, move Nigeria forward. Leave every bad things for back. Maybe because number one, now only Nigeria be the place where we get. We don't get any other place.
Not
So
true,
me, I
not
will
true.
take this opportunity, appeal to all Nigerians. Say, good luck, Tokam. We be one. Make we move forward as one. Because now only together go stand, though.
Yes, so. Madam Queen, thank you very much for that information you don't also drop. That is why you also remain our number one first lady on top of this program. Oga Bobby, they call us back on the program. Good. And welcome back, Oga Bobby.
Yeah, Queen really, he moved the whole thing. It touched me. You know, it make my heart weep. Again, what I want to urge them. If you remember the time when they do the election for Nigeria, where Buhari and Goodluck meet for Wazobia.
Before the election, yes.
You know, see the way the two of them meet each other, they roll each other, laugh. But the rest of people, the way they campaign for them, they kill each other. These two people where they campaign, they see each other, they laugh. To tell you, say, yes, they not carry people for head like this, now do or die. Now those where they just give small change for a boys them, they'll come carry people for head, say, now do or die matter. So to tell you, say, you get to use your sense. Now common sense that they use for this. It tease them. Don't pay one big man go come give you small money. You got to say go and fight for me or do one thing. You know they think. Why you not carrying your children go meet and go fight for them? Why you now you come meet? You understand me now?
Yes.
So we need to use sense for these things then. Politics we don't need to put our hand and say we will die for these people. That are the basic thing we get to understand. For example, this politics for Nigeria. You understand me?
Yes,
so we need to drop that mentality out from inside. Then, secondly, we need to hold these people accountable for anything at all when they do. You know, if you elect somebody into government, we need to hold them accountable because they are there to serve us. We are not put there for us to serve them. They are there to serve us. So that are the basic thing we get to understand. The fundamental thing of putting those people there. You know, but Nigerians, they don't really understand those things there. You understand me now? So Buhari, I want that thing again. Buhari need to buckle up there. This fraud when they go on, so you need to really put the eye down and, sweep the house clean.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your important contribution back to back. We get Joseph all the way from Lekki. Oga Joseph, thank you for your patience. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oga Joseph, you did a good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah,
good morning, Oga Joseph.
Right on.
So our people used to say, he who fights and run away lives to fight another day. So good luck now. First way to say, we carry everybody along. So if they try to show people, say, football, if they play football, more just take contrast, for example, like football match. If Arsenal, they play Man City, they beat Man City like 3-4-0. They go team impress themselves, shake themselves, because they believe say one day they go team meet.
True.
And the waiting good luck do. It's a true example, good example to every Nigerian. This one say the religious now, as we did for this country, for me, I believe it will be one though. Any other person will won't push us aside. Now inside everything they find inside Nigeria. What we supposed to be say, as Christian days, we they respect ourselves. Because as Muslims, they show themselves, they keep to their own things where they do to help themselves stand. If they believe on one thing, they do them. But Christians, as we do too, me and you sit down and talk something, say they happen like this. Now we ourselves will come out, go scatter everything. Which Muslim no feedback. Since we be one person for this country, more try to unite ourselves, behave like good luck, they show good example. As for me, I feel like I must come back. 2019, we go see vote time. Today, they say, as they lost, if they come back, they embrace, they encourage Nigeria how we take move this country forward. Me say everybody they pray, they make they unite. We no one key, we no one year, they one gade. And even if they say 300, 500, no problem. But maybe they release things where they say food go they cheap for the poor ones to chop. We no concern us say they travel go America, go anywhere for treatment. We will do yourself for Nigeria. Anything we will take. Something when they go take for America, we will go there here for Nigeria, drink our go still make them live long life. Most
Very
of
true.
them they travel abroad.
Very
so
true.
Since the talk will be one, more just unite ourselves.
Very
Pray
true.
for God to give us the strength so
Very
that we
true.
will move our country. All of us will take one country
Yes,
like other country did.
Thank
Oga
you
Joseph,
very much, Oga
thank you very
Joseph.
much for your important contribution. We get Sonia. Sonia, they call us all the way from Iju. Sonia, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Sonia.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, would they hear you?
Hello.
Continue, would they hear you, Sonia?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sonia. We dey hear you.
Yes.
Abeg, Sonia, bring down the volume of your television, abeg.
Like I say, the network no gree Sonia. Sonia, if you get the opportunity to call us back, call us. Make we hear your contribution. I see as Nkubi balance the time when you hear the voice of Sonia. We go this break, come back. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot. Not true now. Sonia, customer care. Sonia,
You know, like
Sonia.
you do this since morning.
You see as you change. Sonia.
So you want
You turn to customer care.
No, you
Sonia.
know, like the mood. Yes, and welcome back. The program now AS E DEY HOT, and at the final lap of the program now we don't reach so. And what will they look today? Will they look Naija now one according to GEJ? That is Oga Goodluck Jonathan. And following the visit we carry visit our president Oga Buhari yesterday. And we basically waiting they go talk about things we be say go at least you go move the country forward. We go bring unity. And from the same matter, we also the issue of the Naija Delta matter was also raised because everybody needs to come together. And when you look the elders of that particular region, they also want at least unity. So collective will. Chukwudi is still the studio, and this matter we are still addressing it. I will still collecting a call and to hear on our own view on top of the matter.
You see, Nigerians are very, very intelligent people. I need to put that one for English because I won't emphasize. If you check the calls we don't take, everybody when calling prefer solution to the problem we face for our country. And sometimes you come dey wonder why e be say those when we say we elect to represent us, why they know they think the way when we they think. It can't be like say you can't look and say
then they think, but it's just that their own thinking
different from our own.
No, yourself imagine now. We know say okay, this one they see what they appropriate. See wetin we fit separate good from bad. Oh, they just won't choose to do the bad. But that way go impress. So nothing there. It is such a way to say they're very visible. We have a caller, who they call us from Calabar. Good morning.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi. Good morning, Chukwudi.
We greet you, okay, from Calabar.
Yeah, I beg I did small for the call now. Make her know the topic. I just join.
Okay, okay. You hear say former presido saying go visit President Muhammadu Buhari yesterday.
Hello.
You dey hear me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, our former presido Foodluck Jonathan, he go visit President Muhammadu Buhari yesterday. You dey hear?
I dey hear you.
Okay, after the visit, he come out. When news story people come ask some question, as he get to do with the Naija Delta, he come talk say Naija na one. Say no how. This country must remain one. We come dey ask say how we fit do am when we say with all the challenges we dey face, our country go remain one.
Okay. My brother, he don't talk and finish. Say Nigeria one. And me, I believe say Nigeria one. Because now United Nigeria, me, I still believe. And also now collective effort. And not be one day thing. Now gradually, when we see ourselves as one, when we come together as one, now we will achieve this way our former president don't talk.
Yeah.
But make it be say, oh, you know, me get them, me get, they blow this one, they fire this one. There's no way we can fight, we can unite Naija. Now for us to put heads together, make Naija one. Thank you, and may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Oga. Okay. From that call, make we collect this other one from Emmanuel. Good morning, Emmanuel.
Emmanuel with the letter I.
With the letter I.
Make you no cause quarrel.
Yes. Good morning, Emmanuel.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga actually do good for you.
I greet you, Oga Emmanuel.
You know, today Oga Nkubi na Nigerian man today.
What did people they talk touch am?
Say una quarrel like before.
We no quarrel at all.
So
I'm a peace-loving man.
Nigeria, you be today. Since all that they talk.
If this all this well, I not be Nigerian.
As a real Nigeria, you be today. Before I think say you be APC. You don't say APC and Nigeria. That APC come they colonize us. They will be Nigeria. Our time could have very well for this work that they do. I want to advise say I beg. Mokuna they try invite guests. When we say those guests who are going to invite, make it be say that the people where they rule us. So that make we see they talk to them direct, so that they see they pass message to people for us.
Very true.
I think it go there better.
Yes. Very true.
And this issue of, you know, you get one thing where Minister of Power and Sea talk, the Minister of Power, Housing and Works talk the other time. He said, in Nigeria, no go get light until Nigeria talk to the vandalize. The question why they ask, they say, now how many Nigerians they vandalize before you say Nigerians no go get light until Nigeria they stop vandalizing? The population of Nigerians, they almost times the people they vandalize. So make you know the punish of fee because
now vandalization they cause the problem.
Now all Nigerians they vandalize. That is statement where you make, you know they're encouraging. I beg. Una well done.
Thank you very much, Oga Emmanuel.
Okay, Emmanuel, thank you very much. We really appreciate what you don't talk. And when you talk about some they carry people when we say our representatives, when they call the answer question, we self get them for mind. And what do they like do? But you understand, say, okay, the way when we say waka the day, based on say sometimes Abuja they day very, very far. And we don't already talk and say, as it is hot, the only democracy when on top of television. We not go like make it be say we could just bring person come. He'll come be like say, okay, now only and talk the talk, and Nigerians no express themselves. That's why on certain days when we carry some people come, we go just somehow just lock the telephone small with padlock when not to be making talk where before we come open up. But as you don't give us this advice, we go balance them. And Nkubi, whatever they talk, we say everything when our Nigerian people don't call, don't talk, now things when we say it go fit help us find solution to the problems of our country. If our leaders them go listen, because you fit check and say, okay, oh, this person when they government, maybe he know they feel am the way when they feel am. Take for example, if you dey government, because you dey government, maybe the law talk say you go get special motor. That special motor, you go put special fuel inside because you dey government. Now, as a representative of the people, you feel not really they feel as the people them they take the feel am. But if you dey listen to the cry of the people, they hear their voice, you go know say these people the thing they feel them. And then the person when we say something they pain, now he go fit tell you how you go take stop am. Take for example, if you get headache, or if I get headache, now me go tell you the way anything they do me. Doctor, when they train to treat people, he go first ask you say how your body they do you, your eye they turn you, your belly they do you like this. All those things that is when we say they will give you so that he go come know and he go take free move from there. So if our people they hear us, the summation when we say our people don't drop this morning from Dora to Oga Bobby, Oga Pat, Oga Sam, Queen, Joseph, Sonia will no pick when I know say Nkubi mind is sweet, okay, and Oga Emmanuel with the letter I. They don't be very, very obvious say we must do what we supposed to for this country to use to say Naija not be only one for those with the government. Naija na one for all of us. And like I talked earlier, all fingers are not equal, but no be more say our own finger will be the small finger.
Yes, you don't talk and finish, Chukwudi. And following the number of calls we would also get, we'll get today, and following the reactions of Nigerians on top of how we will fit ensure say the country move forward. I won't believe say our leaders with the rulers will not down here. So the ball is in your court to do it in the appropriate. Nobody say go see something in the appropriate. Come out eye from him. Because say no, I know say this is appropriate, but now come out eye, do it, go do it. We go sit my belly, which is wrong, and that's why we still did the condition where we did now. But once we do say we could do it in the appropriate, then you go say at least this country go feel advance forward. Yes, from me we Nkubi and Chukwudi also there for house. So we say today, but we just take out serere. We not even say we the quarrel. And till tomorrow we go do it, we go jam again, and with another bunga issue we relate to as in the hot. From me, now bye bye.
All this long talk, all this long talk where you talk now because of Sonia.
Sonia, you know, see my mood today.
Take Sonia, your mood.
Sonia,
Mahmoud.
you see as Chukwudi just they take your name, they play here.
Oh, Sonia.
I want to say, wait, I want to say, I just comport myself.
You comport yourself. You comport yourself.
Yes,
comport yourself. Speak to her. You comport yourself. Mr. Comport. Comportion.
Where you carry hand?
Where you dey say you comport yourself? To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.